Previously on my condo hunting adventure, I toured 23 different condos in Vancouver and number 15 was perfect. I put in an offer, but I lost the condo. Someone outbid me. I was so sad for a couple days, but went back on the hunt and found my new perfect condo. Put in an offer. I signed it. Canceled it. I don't know if it's like worth it anymore. Put in another offer. It was complicated. But in the end, I got the keys. So here's my empty condo tour. Well, hello there. Welcome to my new condo that I just bought. Welcome in. I'll give you an empty apartment tour. So I just bought this condo, as I just said, and it's definitely a fixer-upper, which I am no stranger to. I've done so many renovation and makeover videos over the years. Bathroom renovations to just like room makeovers and all that kind of stuff. So this will be such a fun project, but I'm gonna show you how the condo looks currently so that we can witness the makeover and renovations over the next couple months. This is the storage closet. Obviously has nothing in it currently, but probably can put jackets and like a shoe rack down here. But I might want to move the laundry machine here because I'll show you where it is currently. It's in kind of a weird position. Then we have the main bathroom. I did not even know that there was a shower in here when I first came in, because when I first toured this place it was really cluttered, obviously because the owner still lived here. But we just got, you know, a toilet, a sink, and then we got a shower in here. And everything is going. Like, I'm completely demoing everything. So all the walls, the positions of things, and like the look of everything will change. Here is the kitchen, which I am really excited about because I feel like kitchens really make a home look really nice because there's so many appliances that you can put in to like customize. We have the sink on this side, a bunch of cabinets on top, and then we have the stove here, doing my domestic girly things, cooking for the husband. Just kidding, I am so bad at cooking, but I feel like this will inspire me to start cooking and just like having my own custom kitchen with things that I like to see in the kitchen. I'm thinking stainless steel. I don't really know what exactly I want to do yet. Originally I was thinking like white marble, which has always been my vibe and style, but maybe I want to change things up. I don't really know yet. Also, I don't know if this is possible, but I kind of want to switch the placements of these. Like if I can put the stove on this side and the sink on this side, because my plan is to open up this wall so that it connects with the living room. Not sure what's possible yet. I have to apply to the building because it's a condo, but we'll see. And then we have a fridge here, and this is where the laundry machine is. So it's in the kitchen, which is not very ideal for me, but I find that a lot of laundry machines get put into the kitchen, like in an apartment or if the space isn't very big, just because that's where the water pipes are. So that might be something I want to change, but we shall see. And then we have the living room. So this is like the dining area with the lamp for the dining area where I will be eating alone, but that's fine. We're independent girlies. And then this is the living room area with a view of the city. So I am now in downtown Vancouver, which is like, I love downtown Vancouver. It's so fun. So this is west facing, I'm pretty sure. So hopefully I'll be able to see the sunset on some days. So I definitely am going to change out the curtain panels because those are crusty, musty, dusty. How old is this building? Like 20? Somewhere around the 90s. I'm pretty sure the previous owners bought it when it was first built. So they've been living here for 2 decades. And so nothing really has been renovated. I think nothing has been renovated. So these are all the original installments. But I feel like this green is probably not going to be the vibe. And the curtain panels are not going to be the vibe. And obviously the wall colors. But I'm thinking of putting a TV right here, right on top of the heater so it can overheat and explode. Although, I don't know if I'm gonna get a TV. Maybe I'll just put a projector on for like TikTok vibes, I don't know. And then I'll probably put a big couch here, maybe a sectional. I'm so excited. I can put like a coffee table here. I've always had a dream of having like a giant beanbag. I don't know if it'll ruin the aesthetic, but this is the place where dreams become reality. So then we have this, I like to call it the timeout prison cell. In reality, it's a storage closet, but it's very very much like where things go to die vibes. It is a decent size for a storage closet. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this though. I feel like I might want to knock this wall down just to extend the size of the dining room. And then we have the guest bedroom, second bedroom. So this is originally a solarium or den, because clearly it like doesn't look like a bedroom. It's got a weird angle on it. It's very rhombus trapezoid vibes, but it's cute and it's got potential. So my plan is to extend the walls of this room. This wall is gotta go. I'm probably gonna push it like a meter or two, so the storage room has got to go. But it's cute. Also, definitely gonna replace the tiles. I don't know if I want to still do like hardwood floors or if I want to do carpet, because I do have carpet at home. I do really like it for just soft and like heat retention, but I feel like it's way harder to clean than hardwood. Let me know in the comments for like anything you think would be cool to put into this place, because I need ideas. I need styling ideas. I need renovation ideas. So let me know. Anyway, let's move on to the main bedroom, which is going to be my bedroom. Welcome to my crib. This is where all the magic will happen. By magic, I mean staying in bed, not leaving my room for 2 weeks, and getting vitamin D deficiency. This is my giant window. Actually, can you get vitamin C through a window? Probably, right? I mean vitamin D, because like windows don't block vitamin D. Okay, so I'll get a little bit of vitamin D. Anyway, we have the same view of the city. This is a decent size. I would definitely put my bed right here. I don't know if I want to put a desk. Oh, I probably should put a desk in here. But I could have like a nightstand on either side. And the possibilities are not endless, but they're pretty big. And then we got a closet over here with the sliding glass doors, which I do have in my bedroom at home right now. I do think it's very useful, but I feel like stylistically, I'm not really sure if I want to keep it. But it is a decent size. Cute. On to the master bathroom vibes. It's definitely like old and rickety. That's all right. It definitely reminds me of our bathroom at home though, before we renovated it, because we have the same lighting plate. This area reminds me of home. But we do have a white bathtub instead of a yellow one, so that is already an improvement. Definitely everything is going. If there were stylistic elements that are kind of like historical and really nice that I want to preserve, I would preserve them. But I don't, like, there's nothing here that I really love that much. So I think it's a good opportunity to just like gut everything and put in new elements that I really love. Yeah, I still don't know what exactly I want to do yet. Let's go back here. Tell me why I'm out of breath right now. Anyway, that is the completed empty apartment tour. Let me know in the comments what you think, what kind of possibilities there are. I'm really excited to get this process started, and I'm really stoked to be a homeowner. Anyway, I currently have my shoes on, but that obviously will not be happening once everything is done and installed, because anyone who wears their shoes inside is, I'm sorry, but you deserve jail time. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'm so excited for this renovation moving series. Yeah, make sure to stream my song Clean Up and Outpour. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.